I knew my love was true, truer than I knew. Only afterwards I was wounded by my words, how badly I was hurt. The tears in my ears for the things I said, and then the poison going round my head. I'm making friends with the dead, making friends with the dead. I met with true love's madness. It doesn't always make sense when my moves are carefully planned. Or is it all just coincidence? From the moment of my birth, when I landed on this earth and I crawled straight ahead, or to you was I led? I'm making friends with the dead, making friends with the dead. Are you my friend or my mirror? If you're my friend, oh come nearer, make it clearer. Yes, I knew my love was true. Oh, my desire to take you in my arms, protect you from harm, from everything that comes your way. Are you here? Will you stay? I'm not asking anyway. I was just waiting on a brand new day, or whatever comes instead. I'm making friends with the dead, making friends with the dead, making friends with the dead, making friends with the dead. Muchas gracias. I really wanted to change, I just didn't know how to make my life rearrange, using all that I knew now. I put the hose on the fire of my rage. desert. I watched it wash away my pain. And then I flew for 40 days and 40 nights. 40 days and 40 nights. 40 days and 40 nights before I came down. I gathered strength, I climbed a tree, highest one that I could find. You know, from up there I could see, oh, everyone, everything, everybody I ever left behind. All at once I started to fly. I made such a mighty flapping sound. So many friends up in the sky. Well, I never I looked down and I flew for 40 days and 40 nights. 40 days and 40 nights. 40 days and 40 nights before I came down. Oh, only later did I realize why. So much later did I know my mission. And when I did, I started to cry. Ah, it was you I was missing, kissing. To change, I just never knew how. time, but I couldn't pick up my phone. I'm so many miles away from that kind of courage, and I guess finally had to be alone. Well, it's true, I might have made a few promises, and you can be sure I meant to keep them all along. Well, something happened to me, and I can't explain it. Just call me the man, this old man whose heart turned to stone. I saw 1,000 people laughing. I did not say a word. And in the heat of that last summer, I said, Sonny, I was flying like a bird. Sonny, you say you don't recognize me. In fact, when I knew you, I believe I was wearing my beard. One day I shaved, I looked in my mirror, and I decided to come on out of there. Well, me and your mom, oh, that was a long night. I can't say I'm proud, Sonny, I ain't ashamed, but I ain't no caveman. Oh, now boy, don't you believe it? We were both so willing to live with the blame. I was flying like a bird. I should call, you could have knocked me over. I thought it was a joke, then my laughter started to fade. When I drove down here, this damn prison. Last thing I expected, I saw my boy in a cage. What can I say? Give me a call if you wanna. You call me at work. You call my place home. I'm gonna find my way out of here, but I don't know how to do it. You got a father, Sonny, you're not alone. I saw 1,000 people can tell your fortune. Would I lie? I tell the truth, I'd lie. Depending on if it brought you to my arms or distant shores. I see a green river keeps on rising, even higher than it ever rose before. Green river, I'm talking about Green river. You know she's living right by Green river. Send my soul out to the sea, yeah, yeah. Mississippi, the other from New York State. As a state I call confusion, contradiction, and the blues. If your green river keeps on rising, you get one on your wedding shoes. Green river, talking about green. My soul and set it free. This ship ain't moving, it's attached to the land. Last night I dreamed I was in prison. Oh, I guess I was with the rainy season bands. And the river kept on rising. It ran past us while we slept. I woke up in the morning and my eyes were soaking wet. A green river, talking about green river. You know she's living right by Green river. Thank you very much. So nice to be here tonight. I have to tell you that it's more beautiful here than CBGB's in 1977. This is really something. This is our second time here in Sos del Rey Catolico, and this is a very special place, and glad we could be here with all of you tonight. This is a song from we have a new album out. It's called Coming Home Again. This is my 100th album. Okay, so you understand English, right? No, too many already. And this is called Pneumonia Alley. Sweater on the way to the loop. I looked in the mirror, I thought about you. The way you blink with your long dark lashes, the way you left my heart in a pile of burned ashes. And I'm down on the Pneumonia Alley. I'm arm in arm with long, tall Sally, shivering and coughing in the rain, halfway delirious. I don't feel no pain, but I wonder, will I ever see you again? You are the one with a touch so warming. It's like a drop of sun on a new day's morning. Vitamin D life for my body, for my soul. But now I'm on the outside and I say, man, it's getting cold when you are down on the Pneumonia Alley. I'm a dancing with long, tall Sally. I'm shivering, I'm coughing, standing in the rain. I'm feeling almost delirious, and I don't feel no pain. And I wonder, I really wonder, will I ever see you again? Junkies in the corner, they must have been beautiful once. I watched them share a cup of coffee Every meal is a banquet, and every day was a holiday. Oh, honey, we don't know it. We had it made when we were down on the Monia alley. I'm dancing with long, tall Sally, shivering and coughing, and I'm standing in the rain. I'm feeling halfway delirious, I don't feel no pain. Oh, and I wonder, I really wonder, will I ever see you again? Well, I am down on the Monia alley, down on the Monia alley. I'm a down on the Monia alley. I'm down, down, down on the Monia alley. I'm a dance with long tall Sally. I'm on the Monia alley. Thank you so much. Muchas gracias. We'd like to do a song now that was written by the great American blues man, Robert Johnson. And he never made it to Sos del Rey Catolico, but I'm sure he would have liked it here. Maybe he's here tonight somewhere. Sos de Blues Man Catolico. Robert Johnson died at the age of 27 years old. 27, yeah. That was just last year for me. He was poisoned by a jealous husband. This is why every night before the show, when I eat dinner, I ask Olivier to taste my food.
Can you choose something else? Meat?
But I like Wahada. He doesn't like that. This song is called Terraplane Blues. I'm so lonesome. Hear me when I'm on. I am so this woman I've been loving down in Arkansas. I'm gonna get down in your wires, start messing under your hood. When I press your little starter, give me fire like you should. Hit me when I'm on. I wanna know who drives my terrorplane for you. Since I've been gone, I've been gone, yeah. Tell me. I just want to say that maybe it's getting a little cold out there, so if you want to stand up and move, that's okay. A little more caliente. They're just not singing anymore. They're lying lifeless on the floor. Songs say love floor. Hey now, little cha-cha-cha. Hey now, little cha-cha-cha. Hey now, little cha-cha-cha. Hey now, little cha-cha-cha. I said, hey now, little cha-cha-cha. 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 Come on. Hey now, little cha-cha-cha. I said, hey. Hey now, little cha-cha-cha. Hey, hey. Hey now, little cha-cha-cha. Hey now. Hey now, little cha-cha-cha. Oh, cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha. Hey now, muchas gracias. Getting late, they were spaced. A trace of the old coming down. Ancient fun, 1 and 1. He promised us someday I'm gonna leave this old town. But magazines, glamour scenes, in-betweens, they kept him so nailed to the ground. And still the sounds they wait to be found. And there were junkies and pushers, pimps and hookers. You never know what you're in for. You try to shake it, try to forsake it. You know you're gonna take it. You never know what you're in for. By that time he was 29, there was a sign of an old melody. He tried to list what he missed, just a kiss. Was that real or TV? He said, I'm gonna find a way, I'm gonna make it pay, like a rehearsed passion play every day. Every day. Oh, there were junkies and pushers, pimps and hookers, and you never know what you're in for. And you try to shake it, you try to forsake it. You know you're gonna take it. You never know what you're in for. He said, hey, I'm gonna stay, don't cry. But it gets tough staying rough, full of lust. Be a walking high five. I see you and I'm through with those guys who demand such a life. Are we gonna get by, gonna get by? I like junkies and pushers, pimps and hookers, 'cause you never know what you're in for. You try to shake it, you try to forsake it. You know you're gonna take it. You never know what you're in for. I say you never know what you're in for. I'm talking about you never know what you're in for. I mean you never know what you're in for. You never know what you're in for. You never know what you're in for. street and I'm feeling like dirt. I'm afraid to get married cause I know it's gonna hurt. Oh, and I say, last time the rock stars, me and you. Rock and roll's here to stay. We'll be left to play. I saw the king in a 53 Chevy. Had a band on his mind and his hands look heavy, and he rolled down his window just to say hi. I could never see his face, too much purple haze inside. Born to be the king, he was born to be the man, and he died though he was holy. Oh Jimmy, understand. Oh Jimmy, understand. Oh Jimmy, understand. When I say last of the rock stars, me and you. Rock and roll's here to stay. We'll be left to play. Hey, hey, hey. You make me wanna shout, come on now and 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 hey, 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 gooba, 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 habit meets guitar, you gotta have it. Got your accent, got your groove. Your old man thinks it's a waste to loot. You wait a week for an Ed Sullivan show. That where you wanna go, your homework's never complete. You don't care. You got this. You got this. Beat. On Friday night, boys out to play. There are masters, there are slaves, there are boys who know they're gonna play. You take a desk or a broken string, you know those kids, you know those things. I say, look. Last of the rock stars, me and you. This is 35 years I've been on the road. I started when I was 5. And when I began, I went to see a gypsy to get my fortune told. She looked at my palm and I said, tell me, where am I gonna be in 35 years on August the 3rd? She said, well, I said, London? She said, no. I said, Hollywood? She said, no. I said, Pamplona? She said, close. She said, you're gonna be in a beautiful place, Elliot. More beautiful than any of those. You're gonna be in Sos del Rey Catolico. Come here, cowboy. Take off your cowboy hat. I'll be your dog. You can caress my cat. I'm singing bye, 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 bye. I like it like that. I do.
Toutes les cartes en main de cette envie de l'infini où même les parallèles se lient. Notre logique se débat en vain.
Si Driving slow down Olivier, it's just a little half rainy day. I saw it on the map. It makes my bleeding heart rejoice. I think I got a choice, but oh, it's a lot of crap. Destiny. 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 She said, "Come here, senor. Take off your cowboy hat. I will